Now at 5, with so many Georgians struggling to pay bills, a short-term loan, well, it seems like an easy option.
But as Better Call Harry explains, it's not so easy when you're paying 300% interest. Here's Harry with today's Consumer Reports.
Payday loans are illegal in Georgia, but try telling that to the internet. I'm also not a fan of any debt relief program, so we're going to show you a couple of alternatives. Missy Juliet was having trouble paying her rent and her overdue utility bills. But instead of applying for rental assistance through the CARES Act, she turned to Payday lenders as a last resort.
I had maxed out my credit cards and I'd already asked my family for help in the past, so I couldn't go to them again. I was embarrassed.
Missy borrowed $730 in 2 separate loans. One of those loans had a whopping 266% interest rate, and she had trouble paying them back. And unfortunately for millions of people like Missy who need emergency money fast, payday lenders are really one of the very few options out there. But that could soon be changing.
The pandemic really exacerbated the problems with payday lenders, especially in low-income and Black communities. So what we've seen is this push to bring better and fairer banking services to these communities.
So what can you do right now if you're in need of emergency money fast? First, try to find a community development financial institution near you, CDFI.
CDFIs are financial service providers like banks or credit unions whose mission is to bring financial services to low-income communities, places that many traditional banks have largely excluded.
Joining a CDFI can be affordable, offering banking services at no or low cost with an initial deposit as small as $25. If you Google CDFIs in Georgia, a list of financial institutions pops right up. We'll put a link on our website. Another avenue you can go to is to find a nonprofit with a payment relief program. In Georgia, the Better Business Bureau recommends ClearPoint. Missy eventually did seek help from a nonprofit dedicated to helping people get out of payday loan debt. They consolidated her loans for no fee and 0% interest.
So instead of $50 to $200 in fees a month, I'm making an interest-free $80 payment a month for a year, and that helped so much.
I'm Better Call Harry with your Consumer Reports.